Good evening, friends. This is Mithil Tarkar, and today for my team ACES, my team name is ACES. For them, I am going to do a goal setting exercise. So normally, it's not practically possible to reach out to an individual and do the goal setting. So I'm just making the content like what exactly and how you have to do the goal setting. So for that, this is a web recording that right now I'm doing, and I will publish it, and I hope that you will like it. And as per the requirement, we will come out with more and more videos. But today's topic, what we are going to do is goal setting. I will not take much more of your time. I will be very short, clear, and crispy, and directly to the points. So just stay tuned to this video till the last, and I hope whatever your doubts and queries about goal settings are there, it will be settled down. So here I go. The topic today that I am going to cover is goal setting. So what is goal setting? Everybody must have heard a lot of things every time, like goal setting. Hota hai kya, goal kiya kya, what is your goal when the new year comes? And basically it's always a habit, like when the new year's come January, people wait till that time. January jaisi aa gaya, to abhi then what? My goals are what for this year? And after that, if they do it, it's like it's okay. But 90% of the people just plan to fail what they're going to do, and only 10 people do the goal setting of their life. And out of that 10 people, only 4 to 5 people execute it and take it to the next level. So guys, this is the numbers, and why it is important. It is important. I will give you an example why goal setting in your life is very important. To tell you how it is, the goal setting is important, like let me put an example out over here. Most of the people must be familiar to the football game. There are two teams, say let's say A team and B team, and these are the two goalposts, 1 and 2. Now this team A, all the 11 players will try to put the ball over here in this goalpost, and all the team of B will try to put the ball in this goalpost. This is how the game is played. Now suppose if these goalposts are removed, then what is going to happen? What is going to happen? A team will not have any directions like where to go, where to take the ball. Same is with the team B. It's going to be the same problem. Where to direct the ball and where to take it. All the team will be confused. And there will be no result, there will be no conclusions, and it will be no fun, in short. So a goal post makes all the difference. So this is one like goal post. When I put it, it makes interesting. The game sounds interesting. The same thing is in your life. When the goals you put into your life, it will make your life very interesting. At the same time, the game timing is of 90 minutes. If I remove this timing and I say play now, what is going to happen? Again, the both teams will be playing for a long duration of time. There will be no aim. There will be no results. There will be no conclusion of the match. So again, the time is very important, 90 minutes. So the same is with your life, friend. The life is very fast. We are growing very fast. This is a rapid, fast rate, and I think we are on a treadmill which is running at a very high speed. So you have to have your goals very much set and a time limit for that. There are some basic rules to set the goals. Like what exactly? When you do your goal setting, you should have basic things and understanding like how the goal setting is to be done. So there is some formula and there is some ideas, there is a concept of smart goal setting. So what is it? Let's understand. I hope my board might be visible when I write it. Otherwise, I will try to explain it directly like that only. SMART. S-M-A-R-T. SMART goal. Now, what does it mean? S is for specific. Everything has got a meaning, a full form. So S is for specific. So when I talk about specific, your goal should be very specific. Means what? Like suppose if you say like if you want to buy a car, is that a goal? No. That is not a goal because you're not specific about it. Like what exactly, which color, which make, which model. You don't know anything. That is specific. In general, you have said your dream is to, you will not be able to reach your goal. So when you talk about your goal, you should be very specific. You have to take that, you have to say, you have to buy a Mercedes C500, red in color, like that is specific. A 25 lakh of rupees of car, that is specific, that is specific. You can't give general statement when you talk about your goals. So when you talk about your goals or anybody goals, the goal should be specific. Second thing, it should be measurable. When it should be measurable, in short, let's say I will give an example. If I want to walk from here, from Mahim to Shirdi, from Mumbai to Shirdi, from here the distance might be around, for 8 days it take around and say 180 kilometers. So in a span of 8 days, when I divide that, 10 days, 10 days it takes time to from here to Shirdi. So 10 days and it's 180 kilometers distance. That means every day I have to walk around minimum 20 kilometers, 18 to 20 kilometers. So after 5th day, I should be understanding that 18 multiplied by 5, I should have reached that destination. After 6 days, 18 multiplied by 6, my destination should be on that particular kilometers I should cover. So your goals are measurable. It should be measurable. So first is specific, second is measurable. Attainable, third is attainable. Fourth is realistic. When you talk about realistic, your goal should be realistic. Yes, of course, you can't say, like you want to cover 1 kilometer, or you want to run 1 kilometer in 1 minute. That is not realistic. You have to be, like realistic. Really realistic, you have to come out of it. But it doesn't mean you will say that 1 kilometer I will run in 15 minutes or 12 minutes in a very comfort zone. That is also not a goal, this thing. It should be realistic. In Gujarati, there is a say, Nishan chuk maaf, nathi maaf, nichu nichan. Means what? If you set your goals should be very high. Your goals and aims should be very high. It should make your zone uncomfortable. The word is uncomfortable. If you think that in a comfort zone, if you are going to do that and you're going to achieve that, that is not your goal. Your goal should be uncomfortable. It should make you uncomfortable. Means what? It should take the best out of you, man. It should take the best out of you. आपके अंदर का जो हीरो है, वो जाके उसको आपको जगा के आपको आपकी चीज, आपकी जो सोच है, वो आपकी हरकतें पे आके आप उसको अचीव करना है. So it should not be again थोड़ा वो सोच लिया आराम से हो जाएगा. Yes, I can say like 1 kilometer if I have to run in 5 minutes, 6 minutes time. That is something where I have to work hard. I have to get out of the comfort zone and I have to. So it should also be realistic. So the goal should be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and last is time bound. When I say time bound, you have to have a time period. Just say for an example, I have taken the earlier example of a football match. If I remove them 90 minutes from there, what exactly happens? The entire thing comes to a standstill. What's there? Then what is going to happen? Everybody is to run, but there is no time. The results will not be there. People will just be playing for the entire day, for might be for the next day, so they will continue because there is no end. And nobody will come to know that who has won the match. So when you set the goal, you should have a time bound. Time bound in the sense after say like 1 month of time, quarter time, half yearly times, whatever it might be. Because you will be able to break it into small pieces. I will give you an example. If suppose if the bus has to travel in the night from here to Bangalore. Okay. Now the goal of the Bangalore is let's say 500 kilometers from here to Bangalore. But does the headlights go to the 500 kilometers? Does the light flow till the 500 kilometers show the ways of the night? No. It just gives you a distance of 15 meters, a short distance it covers. But once it reaches the 15 meters, another 15 meters are visible. Then next the 15 meters, then next the 15 meters. Like that you cover 500 kilometers. The same is with your goals. You have to break into small pieces in small amount of time. So this is the basic about how the basics of goal formation should be there. Now coming on to a Max Life Insurance, as an employee of Max Life and advisors are like you like you have to achieve and you will do the business and I will be very happy. My team will be, if you do the business, I will be very happy. So what is the amount of business and what you have to do? So when you think about your goal, when you think about your goal, the purpose should also be clear. If you don't have a purpose for that goal, then it will be not making that much effect to you. If your purpose is very strong, the more stronger the purpose is connected with the goal, the more chances that we will hit the goal are likely to be very high. So the purpose you have to find out कि अगर for an example, if I decide कि मेरे को ये quarter में I have to earn 5 lakh of incentives या 2 lakh of incentives, so why I have to earn the purpose? I have to find it out. It should be very strong. It should be strongly connected to my goal. So how you can do that? You have to write down why part. If I want 5 lakh in this quarter, why? What is the reason? What is that reason? You have to just give some time for yourself to understand this thing. Why you require this 5 lakhs in this quarter? Why? Your purpose. Spend some time. Think about, give 5, 10, 15 minutes yourself right now when you're sitting at home because of this COVID-19 and it's a lockdown everywhere. So just give 15 minutes of your valuable time. Think why you want it, what is the purpose. Find it out. The more the stronger the purpose, the more the chances that you will achieve your goal very fast. So once you achieve why, then we will come to purpose again. Then we will come to the solution, how it can be done. I hope I'm not too fast, I'm not too slow. I'm with you. We will reiterate like what we have done once again. The goal should be SMART. S is for specific. M is should be measurable. A should be attainable. Realistic. And time bound. This is initially we have covered the goal, the basic of it. Then after that what we have done is we should have a strong purpose. Your why part, that is we in insurance we talk as the why part. Why you want to earn say like 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs in a quarter? Why? What is the reason? When your purpose is very clear, your purpose, and for that you have to sit and you have to understand what exactly and what is the purpose you want that. When the purpose is more stronger, the goals will become like very much in achievable range. Now let's say when I'm talking about Max Life Insurance, let's say in a quarter if anybody wants 3 lakh of rupees. Three lakh is the target in a quarter. Suppose if anybody wants 3 lakh of rupees, so how is going to do that? So is it you have decided the goal is specific now? 3 lakh is the amount which is decided. It's specific. 3 lakh रुपए कमाना है. Time also is here. So 3 महीना. So goal is specific here. So the basics content is right. 3 months में मेरे को 3 lakh रुपए करना है. Why? Again the purpose is clear because I want to wipe out some part of my loan in this quarter. Why part is also clear. So 3 lakh रुपया if I want to earn in this quarter. Okay. As an advisor, तो मेरे को क्या करना पड़ेगा? What I have to do now? What is the calculation? What I have to do? You tell me. Then I will do that. Then when I understand the 3 lakhs, if I have to do 3 months of time, the case size in Mumbai 1 in our office is around 50,000 rupees. So 3 lakh divided by 50,000 is how much? $60 number of cases. Yeah, 60 number of policies you have to sell it out. So if I tell this 60 policies if I have to sell in this 3 months of time, so how much calls I have to make? मेरे को कमाना है 3 लाख रुपया. Case size is 50,000. So 3 lakh divided by 50,000. That means 60 policies I have to sell in this quarter. तो अगर एक पॉलिसी बेचने के लिए right now the data which has published Mr. our office head Saurabh Dobal has said is around 10 people when we contact and when we speak to 10 people then we will be able to sell one policy. तो अगर मैं 10 जन को मिलता हूं तो एक पॉलिसी जाएगा. मतलब अगर मेरे को 7 पॉलिसी बेचनी है तो into 10 तो I have to meet 600 people in this quarter. तो मेरा टारगेट हो गया 600 जन से बात करना है फोन उठा के एंड टॉक टू देम एंड एक्सप्लेन द प्रोडक्ट्स एंड ट्राई टू क्लोज देम. So I have to pick up the phone every morning and I have to speak to clients and talk them, speak to them about. And I'm Mr. Mithil Talkar. I'm working with Max Life as a sales thing, and we help you to plan for your family financial security, your children education, or your personal retirement. In the due course, we would like to meet in person. So today in the evening at say 7 o'clock will be okay, or tomorrow in the morning 10 a.m. will be good. So you have to pick up the phone, you have to call to every customers, and when you call to 600 people, that is in 3 months of time. So in a day, how much it is? So 90 days, 30 days, a month, if I'm taking, because the goal, the intention is very strong. I want to earn, so I'm thinking every day I will work. So divide by 90 days. Around 6 people in a day. So in a day I have to see that I meet face to face. I make contacts with 6 people at least, and I speak to them about Max Life Insurance, about the opportunity of providing a financial security, children education and retirement. I have to speak to people. Then I will be able to do this business and I will be able to earn 3 lakh rupees in a quarter. So in a day I have to only track one thing, whether I have met 6 people or not. तो ये 6 जन को मेरे को मिलना है दिन का, and I have to speak to 6 people. Then only it will be possible. इसके लिए immediately the first thing that everybody should do for the agent advisors or for yourself is you have to prepare your P200. P200 is a project like Max is phenomenal. It's a company which gives you insights on how to do a business, P200 up, make a project 200. Who are the 200 people that you're going to call and talk to them about Max Life? You're going to talk and you're going to take references also from them. Who are the people? Yes, sab naam nikalo and start working. And when the end-to-end P200 is prepared and you see to that, and this is the way how we are going to do. I will be coming out with lot of more topics. I got around 27 different subjects where we can remove the videos and we can be, more constructive. But only one thing, like these 6 people, my dear friends, all the people sitting out over there, just see to that you are tracking at least 6 new calls a day. It should happen. It has to happen. Then only the things will work. Otherwise, whatever we are learning, if you are not executing, the money will not come. My best wishes to all of you from the bottom of my heart, and I'm telling you, whenever you can call me, I'm there to support. My extended support will always be there for all of you. Thank you for watching this video till the end. My best wishes again, and thank you very much to all of you for being so patient and for as long of 20 minutes of time. Thank you very much. Thank you.